Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut a wooden plank using a reciprocating saw. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can cut this with this reciprocating saw. I have a battery operated reciprocating saw with a saw blade. Okay. Now, first of all, you should not do something in a very easy environment like this. You need to have proper protection. This is my garage, not my workshop, so that's why I don't have much tools here. Like very first thing I would say is to protect your eyes, because these things generate a lot of particles and you don't want any of such wooden particles fall into your eyes. There could be trouble. They put on safety shoes and also gloves. Okay. And now, because as I said, it's going to generate a lot of vibration, so you should have clamps where you can hold it steady. So the steadier it is, better cut you'll be able to make, because if it's not steady and if it shakes, that will have an impact on the design or the pattern. Okay. So now I'm gonna do it. As I said, you should have proper protection. Now a good thing is to have proper markings. Okay, because if you have proper marking, you know where to put this saw, and make sure you stick around it. Okay. Now you should be focused in this activity, and as I said, this plank should be steady, otherwise there's gonna be some trouble. As you can see, the cut has begun and it has started generating particles, so that is why it's important that you should keep it steady and your eyes must be protected. Within a couple of seconds I have reached almost half, so that's why you should have a good quality blade too. Okay guys, and within no time this has been cut, but this is not how you should do. Actually, you should use clamps and safety. As you can see on my cloth, a lot of particle has fallen, so with this you can cut, but yes, put proper safety, clamp, gloves, shoes, and your eye cover, very important. Otherwise don't do this, it could be dangerous if you are not an expert. Okay, so thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.